Okay, guys, today's math is a little different than normal. Today's math is going to challenge you to start actually using these cards that you cut out at home. So you were supposed to have already cut these out. You have 4 different pages. You have 1s, 2s, 5s, and 10s. And you were supposed to cut these out and put them in baggies at least 2 weeks ago, maybe longer. Some of you may have already started practicing them. But what you're going to do is you're going to take your cards and you're going to start testing yourself. And you're going to make 2 stacks. You're going to have a stack for the ones that you know. And when I say the ones I know, I mean in 2 seconds. 2 times 5 is 10. Flip it over. Am I right? Boom. Got it. 2 times 6. I don't know that one yet. I'm going to put it in the other pile. So you're going to start making yourself familiar with which facts do I know and which ones do I need to practice more. So you can take out your bag of ones and you can start. You would want to mix them up too, because if you learn them in order, you're learning a pattern rather than memorizing the facts. So take out your ones and start testing yourself. See if you get it right. See if you know it. If you get it right, put it in a pile of the ones that I know, then put it in the pile of the ones that I don't know. After you do your ones, put them back in the bag, then you can get out your 2s. If I were you, you might even want to do them more than once. So I have 4 bags of cards that I should be practicing today. So this is going to take a little time. So you might even practice them another time later today just to challenge yourself. So after you've done this and you've looked to see which ones do I not know, which ones do I still need to practice, you are going to then click on Flipgrid and you are going to tell me what you found out today. Did you find out that you know all your ones, but you're really going to need to practice your 5s? Or did you find out that you know the ones that are all the lower numbers, but then when you get to the higher numbers, you're going to have to practice those more? So you're basically just going to tell me what you learned about yourself with multiplication facts after you test yourself today. So I know this is a strange assignment, but me going back and seeing your Flipgrid video, that is how I will know that you did practice and that you learned something about yourself today. And don't be afraid to practice these again other days, even if I don't assign it to you. Eventually, we'll get to the point where you're going to start being tested to see if you know them yet. And so the more you've practiced, the better you'll be. One more thing, too, you could always go to timestables.com and test yourself there today, too.